Okay, so a little bit more information about maths busking. Our target audience, this is again from our mission statement. Maths busking aims to reach the audiences that wouldn't buy a maths book, wouldn't watch a maths documentary, and wouldn't choose to go to a maths lecture. We will be out in the street talking to people, and not just to the kids, but to their parents as well. Because their parents will stand back and say, oh, they're educating our children, let's watch. And then you say to the parents, come on, join in. And they're a bit resistant, but you've got to get them to join in because this is for everyone. Maths busking training, we started the project pretty much just over a year ago. During 2010, we trained more than 80 people. These were teachers, academics, science communicators, maths advisors, STEM people, and one journalist. They varied in age from undergraduate students through to retired people and one child. Someone brought a child. We couldn't do anything about it, but they loved it. It was brilliant. Everyone learned about maths busking, and they helped us to develop new shows. So we'll have a training day. Everyone will turn up, teachers, communicators, people who are interested in getting involved. Everyone will come up with ideas. Everyone will share the ideas they've already got. We'll show them some of the tricks we do, and then they'll go away. And maybe they won't come and do any maths busking with us, but the teachers will take away so much. They can use these things in lessons. And as I say, while it isn't necessarily geared towards a classroom environment, our main aim is to be out in the street. It's so useful because some of the things that we do can be adapted to classroom work, and it's really good fun. So if you're a teacher who's kind of losing a bit of momentum and they've forgotten why they really love maths, if you come along to a training day, we do some really cool stuff, and it gets you going again, I hope. Media coverage. Everyone went mental for maths busking because it's got a silly name. So we were on BBC Radio 4's More or Less programme. That was the journalist that came along. It was Ruth. She came to our training session, and then she did a piece on More or Less. There was an article in the BBC magazine, and there was a piece, video on the BBC News website. And all of that was from her. And she joined us, and she learned how to do it, and she did a bit of busking, and it was really good fun. There was a piece in the Education Guardian, which is where the video was attached. Maths fans joined the street entertainers, and that was a full page in the Guardian Education Supplement. The Independent had a recent article called Maths the Makeover, which was talking about the kind of resurgence of cool people doing maths, and we were mentioned in that. There was also an article in a Canadian newspaper. We were featured on radio in America, on one of the local radio stations. Someone had a chat with Sarah when she was over there, and you know, it was nice to get so much attention, and it means that we've been able to do lots and lots of events, which is brilliant. Services we provide: busker training, as I've mentioned, teacher sessions. We could do a day for teachers. Entertainment, we can do evening entertainment like the Royal Society dinner or birthday parties or anything like that. Workshops for children, that would be a lot of fun. And corporate events. But whenever we do these things, whenever we do science festivals or conferences or things, we try to get a pitch outside, because if we're outside, we'll catch everyone. And it's really nice. It's really nice to be able to support that using kind of conferences and education stuff, because everyone loves it, and it's great. Upcoming events, we're at the Big Bang Science Fair this week, which is going on today, and for the rest of the week, and that's where I'll be going after this. Leeds Science Festival on the 2nd of April, we've got a pitch in Leeds City Centre as part of that. The British Science Association Science Festival again this year is in Bradford, and we'll be there, and we'll hopefully be in the city doing some stuff there. So that's exciting. Our sponsorship has come from the University of Manchester, which is where myself and Sylvia are both PhD students at the moment. The IMA, HE STEM, who've been very, very generous, the Royal Institution, and the LMS, and all of these people are on my back. And in terms of recognition, Science Today, Portuguese Journal of Science, Technology and Entrepreneurship, has awarded Sarah their Communication Award in their Science Awards. So it's really nice to get a bit of recognition for this, because it's been a lot of work, and Sarah's worked absolutely really, really hard. And she's sad that she couldn't be here today, but again, she's in London working at the Big Bang, so that's that. This is our website address, mathsbusking.com, where you can find out more, and that's our Twitter feed where we've got information. We also have a Facebook page now, I think. I'm very, very honoured to have been invited here to open the conference, so thank you very much.